Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to track stock prices in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up a new spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. So from here I'm going to give it a name. So I want to call this Stock Portfolio Tracker, or whatever name you prefer. Now on the top here, so A1 across, I'm going to go ahead and create the table. So I want to go ahead and put these headings in. So A is going to be the stock, and then I'm going to fill these out. All right, so I've got the following headings. Now I'm just going to make these bold and make them a little bit larger. Now if that's not formatted, I can go ahead and double click into there to make sure it's all looking nice. And then we want to go ahead and enter in your data. So I've got some example data I've just put in here for this demonstration. Now you're going to notice the current price, gain, loss, and portfolio columns are still empty. That's okay. Now what we need to do is get the live stock prices. So in E2, we want to go ahead and type the following formula. So this following formula is going to be looking like this. So Google Finance, B price, and then hit enter. Now it's going to go ahead and start loading. Now it's going to give us a price, a current price for that stock. So yeah, you're going to see Google Sheets automatically display Apple's current stock price. Then from here, you want to go ahead and fill the formula down. So select E2 or wherever, and then go ahead and move your mouse to the small blue square in the bottom right corner of the cell, and then double click it or drag it down. Now it's going to go ahead and get the current price for all the other stock. Now we want to go ahead and calculate the gain or loss. So in F2, we want to go ahead and put this in. So give me a second, F2. So it's going to be E2 minus D2 times by C2. Hit enter. Enter again. Now if you've got the same problem like me, I purposely made this. So if it gives you a date, that's okay. And what we want to do is go ahead and format this properly. So click on the column, then click onto format. Then from here, number, and then we want to go ahead and choose currency or number. So I've got number here or currency. I'm going to go ahead and pick that one, and then the date should automatically change to the correct dollar amount. Then from here, just go ahead and drag that down like we did before, and we can see the gain and loss for each of these stocks. Now from here, we want to go ahead and calculate the portfolio value. So I'm going to go ahead and click into G2 and put in this. So E2 times C2. And then I want to click on that box, click on the bottom right hand corner and drag that down. And that's going to give us the portfolio value. So what this does is going to multiplies the current price versus times the shares to show the current value of that investment.